you're interested in affiliate marketing.
You want to understand what the business model is actually all about.
But all you're getting are those clickbait videos that really don't explain anything. Oh, you gotta hear this. Everyone's been asking to make a video explaining all of it. I'm gonna break it down for you, the exact steps that you need to take
To go from zero understanding to your first commission.
Essentially, affiliate marketing is the business model where the company compensates content creators for generating leads and traffic to their services. In exchange, they're getting some certain commission for a sale made.
Now let's give you an example.
Now let's take fitness. Let's say I create content in this particular niche, and I decided that I would like to monetize my social. So I Google fitness affiliate programs and I apply for the one with the highest commission rate, or the one that I actually prefer the most.
I'm getting my affiliate link and I put it in my bio, and all the people who are interested in my content that I provide value in are interested in buying something from me because I'm already providing value. So they visit the website, they see my weight loss guide, and they would like to purchase it. The sale is made. The content creator who is an affiliate for this affiliate program is getting some certain percentage of sale made. Boom!
Basically, that's the main idea. In order to get started with this business model, you need to take 5 simple steps. Not 5 easy steps, but 5 simple steps. First, and the most important one, you need to pick your niche. In order to do that, think about things that really excites you, things that you would like to talk about, things that you're already interested in. Pick that topic and that'll be your niche. Step 2. This might be the most important one. You need to learn the fundamentals. Things that you need to set up in order to start earning. Things like sales funnels, autoresponders, all of the tech. Now, you might do that by yourself totally for free by watching some free guides or YouTube videos, and you might even be successful with it. It's gonna take you literally a few months to understand exactly what you need to do to set everything up. That's why you need to get educated first. Pick one of the educational programs and learn everything in a matter of 2 weeks. Now you might think, oh, another course, but this program literally cost like $7. All of them. And that is literally nothing. Set up your backend, and that involves those autoresponders, sales funnels, and all of that. This educational programs, you'll see a detailed step-by-step on where you need to click in order to set everything up. Literally, anyone can do it. Step 4. Now that everything is set up for you, you need to prepare your social media and start creating content around that niche. Remember, you don't have to be an expert to start posting, you just have to share your story. Step 5. Earning your commissions and repeating it endlessly. And that's it. This is everything, literally with no exaggeration, what you need to do in order to get started. Now if you want to get started and also get my free step-by-step guide, I left it all in my bio for you.